welcome to 41 Garage and Grill. If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, and occasionally throwing something on the grill, then this is the place for you. So smash that subscribe right now. It's September right now, and September means the Wheel Jamboree is headed to Indianapolis. This year it is on the weekend of the 17th through the 19th of September. It's a really cool event if you've never been to it. They have monster trucks and mud drag, rock crawling, several things like that, vendors selling stuff. But my favorite part is the show and shine, where people bring their vehicles that they built and just display them, and you can go check them out. And they even have a big parade that does a lap around the state fairgrounds, where you can just kind of sit in one place and all the vehicles drive by you. So we'll be out there. If you're going to be out there by chance, give me a shout, and look us up, and we can meet up and hang out for a little bit. But regardless, here's a little sample from 2019 when we were there. Alright, so what'd you think of that? That's just a small sampling of what was there. As you can tell, my bias is towards the Jeeps, but there's all types of vehicles there. Pretty much anything that can have a four-wheel drive underneath it is there. So anyways, if you've never been there, it's definitely worth checking out. We'll be there again. If you get a chance, give us a shout. If you like this video, think you're going to be there, give me a thumbs up, put something in the comments below. And until the next one, we'll see ya. Boom!